Okay, so we've got 6a. Sine x equals negative 0.16. I want x, sine to minus 1 both sides. And that will give me x equals minus 0.16069. And that will repeat every 2 pi n. Or it'll be 180 for sine, it'll be 180 minus that. Well, in this case, it'll be pi minus that. So it'll be pi minus negative 0.16, and that will repeat every 2 pi n. So that means that x will go from minus pi to pi, so that'll be minus 0.16, or this will be pi plus that. That'll already be bigger than pi, so it's going to be pi plus 0.16 and then minus 2 pi. So that'll be 3.30 minus 2 pi, and this one here is negative 2.98. So that will do A. For part B, we got cos x times by 1 plus sine x equals 0. So therefore either cos x will equal 0 or 1 plus sine x will equal 0. If cos x equals 0, x will be 0 cos this axis here, 0 here. It could either be that angle up to there or the negative angle here. So that'll be pi over 2 plus 2 pi n, or minus pi over 2 plus 2 pi n, or, so that's a cos x equals 0, or sine x equals negative 1. So x will equal sine, as this one axis here, negative 1, so that'll be minus pi by 2. So my answers for this one will be x equals minus pi by 2 or pi by 2. Part C. Similar to part B, something times something equals 0. So that means that either the first one's 0, so 1 minus tan x equals 0, or the second one is 0, so sine x equals 0. So this says that tan x equals 1, and so tan is the gradient of the unit circle, so we are there. So it'll be 45 degrees. So in this case here, it'll be pi by 4, and that repeats every pi n, every 180 degrees. Or sine x equals 0, sine x equals 0, that's the axis. That one there, it'll either be 0, so x equals 0, or 180, so that'll be pi. And therefore we got our angles are going to be x will equal pi by 4. And here I could have, if n's 1, that'd be too much. If n's negative 1, that's going to be minus 3/4 of pi, or we can have 0, or we can have pi. Probably better to put in 0 in order, but I haven't. And finally D, we have sine 2x equals 0.23, so therefore 2x will equal sine to minus 1, 0.23, so therefore 2x equals 0.232 plus 2 pi n, or it'd be 180 minus that, or in this case here, pi minus 0.232, and that repeat every 2 pi n. That's 2x. I need to have what just x equals. So x equals, divide everything through by 2, that'll be 0.1160 whatever, plus 2 pi anymore, plus pi n, or, and that will give me 1.4547 plus pi n. So therefore x will equal, I've got to go from minus pi, so first I have minus pi plus that's the 0.116, so that'll be negative 3.03, or I could have 1.45 minus pi, and that'll be minus 1.69, Or I could have pi, n could be 0, and that could be 0.12, or finally 1.45. And then if n were to be 1, I could above pi, so I can't do that. So that's that question done.